Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because in today's video I am going to show you some most useful shortcut keys. So let's get started. The first shortcut keys are Ctrl+B, Ctrl+I and Ctrl+U. Through these we can easily make any text bold, italic and underline. The second shortcut keys are Ctrl+ and Ctrl-. Through this we can make any page in any browser smaller or larger. The third shortcut key is Ctrl+Enter. If we type the name of a website in search bar of any browser and press Ctrl+Enter, then www. at the beginning of the name and .com at the end of the name will automatically attach and automatically enter on that website. The next one is Ctrl+D. Through this we can bookmark any website very easily. With Ctrl+Shift+O, we can see the bookmark manager. The next one is Alt+Enter. With this shortcut key, we can see the properties of any folder as well as file. Pressing Alt+F4, we can close all the tabs of our browser in a moment. All we create folder in this way. This is very useless way. But we can easily create a folder with pressing Ctrl+Shift+N. With pressing Ctrl+H, we can easily check the history of our browser. Today's last shortcut key is Ctrl+J. This allows us to get the list of everything we have downloaded in our browser. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.